If you're getting a Pixlr export error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This is especially helpful if your design is large, your browser is running low on memory, or Pixlr just refuses to export your file properly. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing to try is reducing the amount of RAM Pixlr has to work with during export. To do that, go to the Layers menu button and choose Merge Visible Layers. This combines the visible layers into one, which can make exporting much easier, especially on bigger projects with lots of effects, text, or images. If you don't want to permanently flatten everything, make sure you save a copy of your project first, then merge the visible layers in the version you plan to export. Once that's done, try exporting again and see if the error is gone. If you still get the issue, the next step is to disable anything in your browser that could be interfering with Pixlr. That includes ad blockers, privacy extensions, script blockers, or VPN extensions. These tools can sometimes stop Pixlr from loading export functions properly or block parts of the app that it needs in order to work. To test this, temporarily turn off those extensions and refresh the Pixlr page. Then try exporting your image again. In many cases, that alone fixes the problem. If you're still stuck, the next thing to check is hardware acceleration in your browser settings. This setting can either help Pixlr run smoother or sometimes cause export errors depending on your browser and system. So if hardware acceleration is currently turned on, try switching it off and restarting your browser. Then reopen Pixlr and test the export again. If it was already off, do the opposite and turn it on instead. Sometimes this simple toggle is enough to fix rendering issues and export problems. If none of those steps work and the image export is still broken, there's one very useful workaround you can use right away: print to PDF. This won't give you a normal image file, but it can help you save your design when the export tool is failing. Use your browser's print option, then choose Save as PDF as the destination. This is a great backup method if you just need to preserve the final layout quickly. So to recap, if Pixlr export is erroring, first merge visible layers to reduce RAM usage, then disable ad blockers, privacy tools, or VPN extensions, next toggle hardware acceleration in your browser, and finally use print to PDF as a fallback workaround. If this video helped you fix the issue, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.